Hello everyone. So once again, it's your boy Joshua, the disciplined trader, and you're welcome to my channel, Joshua, the disciplined trader. So if this is your first time on my channel, what I do here, I document my Forex journey and also to become a profitable and a professional trader, and also I teach on my strategy, the alchemist, which is the combination of CRT, SMRO, and advanced SMC, smart money concept. So what you are seeing on the screen is the strategy I use on this one is Malaysian support and resistance plus SMC, which is Msnr plus Malaysian with SMC. So I will quickly dive into this trade, how I found it and how it ended up. It take profit, as you can already see. So let me quickly delete all this so you will learn the exact way I enter this trade, how I spot this trade. So let me quickly clean all of this to get a proper, don't make my chart look messy. And we'll be starting from the daily time frame. Okay, I lost this trade. So this one is not actually, it's the wrong trade, so I lost it. So we will go to the daily time frame. Please bear with me. I want to really explain this in a better understanding to you guys, so you will try to get something. So I look at the daily time frame. I can clearly see the current momentum. It's actually to the downside. Our current momentum on the daily time frame is on the downside. So, and why is that? Even though if price is giving us on the overall trend, I should have been looking for buys, but because price have not getting to any let's say this key level right here, this key level, so I still have the courage to look for sales, and this was the candle that made me to look for sell opportunity. This previous day candle actually closed below this candle, so it is a continuation move. Once a candle close below another candle, it means that price might have the potential to continue the down move or the current direction. So I saw this and I went on the 4-hour time frame to look for possible breakout or entry. So this was the break. So coming on the daily time frame, I can clearly see that price took liquidity from, if you look at the chart, what are we seeing? You can see this, excuse me, I don't know why this, okay. So you can clearly see this lower low. Price went there, give us a lower high, come down and give us a lower low, and when they weakened this week, actually took liquidity from this other guy before giving us a break of structure. So I was expecting the move to tag that liquidity level before coming to the downside. This was my logic. So I marked my liquidity level. This is our SMC. I mark my liquidity level. This was the previous break or structure right here. So let me just quickly mark it. Okay, so I've marked that side as my liquidity level. So this was the overall, okay, let me remove this. This was the overall break of structure on the daily time frame, so I'll leave it like that. So I cannot see any level right here. I mean, the only level I see on this daily time frame is this A-shaped key level. So if I switch on to the line chart, you can clearly see our A-shaped key level. As you can see, we have though it's not kind of, the A is not perfect, but it is what it is. You can also see that price actually swapped liquidity from it. You can actually see that price swapped liquidity from there before coming to the downside, giving us a break of structure. So it was a nice key level for me. So I also have another key level right here. this A shape, this open close. I also have a level right here. So I already marked the level, and I went to the 15 minutes. Okay, it was in 1 hour I went to. Sorry guys, I went on the 1 hour time frame. So looking at the 1 hour time frame, there were our 4 hour time frame key level was not actually in line with our 1 hour time frame. All I can see is just I just remove all this, and all I can see is just some trend lines bounce, which I knew this is going to be, all these are going to be liquidity. So it wasn't a high probability trade for me, yeah, to put my entry at that key level. So it was acting as a liquidity. So the only key level I see here is this key level, and this key level. But thank God I didn't put my entry at that extreme level. If not, I would have missed the trade. So I didn't see any. The only key level I saw here was this two key level. So I went on the daily time frame, I mean the 15 minutes time frame, which was my normal entry, because price is actually clear there. So coming to my 15 minutes time frame, as you can see, I can clearly see please excuse me guys, I'm coming, let me zoom, try to, okay. So coming to my 15 minutes time frame, as for SMC, if price my strategy I use, if price is going to take liquidity, I will be putting my entry at the nearest key zone, which is the key zone I can see here is, I can see a fair value gap above my liquidity, So this was the first key level my eye first sighted when I came into the 15-minute chart, and I can clearly see an inducement on the 15 minutes, because after price gave this overall break or structure, it went up, retests, come down again, but didn't break past it, but went up and take liquidity before coming down. So this was why I took my other entry, that's my first entry. So I was like, okay, this guy is an inducement, price come down and it's going to go back up, but price just gives a little retracement before stop me at and go to my normal second trade entry. So this is a very simple trade, I don't need to complicate things. So price actually took all this trend line liquidity and tap into this fair value gap, which my entry was actually inside of my, so my stop loss was actually above this key level, the extreme key level, and my take profit was actually this level, I think it was 1:3, this key level. So it's a very simple strategy. Let me give you explain it once again. The momentum is to the downside. When price gives us a higher, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower low, lower high, lower low, and price when they're taking liquidity and come down once again. So my expectation was price is going to come back to any key level right here. So I mark up the key level and I went to the 1 hour time frame. Coming to the 1 hour time frame, the key level I marked on the 4 hour time frame. Let me mark it for you guys to see again. So this was the key level I marked. This key level, I marked this key level. Let me remove this one. I marked this key level and also this key level right here, which is at the A-shape level and the open close level. So coming to my 1 hour time frame, my one hour time frame was not having any strong key level. All I can see here is, though if you notice, you see this A-shape level. Let me switch to the line chart and see, but something made me not to put it there. You can clearly see a key level right here. But As long as my trend line was actually matching all this, I just know that all these guys are going for liquidity. All these guys are going for liquidity because there is a huge break of structure right here. After this break of structure, price never went back and test it. Price never went back to test this liquidity level right here. So I know that any movement up is direction or is intended target, point of interest is to this level right here, which I went to the 15 minutes and I locate my entry, which is how I got this entry was the nearest key level that is sitting sitting below the liquidity level, and this was the last liquidity level. As you can see, this was the last liquidity level where I put my entry. Very simple, but price later come and respected that level before coming to the downside, though it's kind of gave an extra inducement. As you can see, he gave this inducement before sweeping this extra liquidity, tapping into this open close key level before coming to the downside. So as you can see, this is the most easiest trade I've ever won this month on May. This is the most easiest trade. Like, I didn't stress myself on this, just a pure decision, a pure insight, and it's really just free. I'll say it's the most easiest free money I've ever made in trading this month. So it is what it is. Please do well to like, subscribe, and comment on your which strategy or which entry model you are actually struggling with, or I'll say just comment anything by just it will help me to grow, or send this video to a lot of people who really want them. Once again, it's your boy Joshua, the disciplined trader.